Hey guys, we're gonna renovate this lawn really fast. Look at this. That's what I use. Can you see it? $16.99. This is year 5. So let's just divide that. Do the math and we'll run a total maybe for what it costs to do this. I'm trying to make it on a budget this year. And this is what I put it down with. It's just a sprayer. Put 3 batteries in here. And I've had this longer than 4 years. This is probably 8 years now. It's my backpack sprayer on the cheap. So no real money tied up in this at all. When you spray, just stay on the green stuff. Try not to get the dirt or the soil with the Roundup or whatever you choose. Just hit the green stuff, a very light mix, half of what they suggest. And doing it when it's dry and there's no rain. Step 1, get your seed. This is where I go to get my seed. That's like a special seed, but they seem to stock it every year. I'll show you. This is the first grass seed I always choose. And you can buy it by the pound here. That's why I really like it. Because if you got spots that go bare or anything, then you can fix it there. And this is the main seed I use. 75% rye, 25% fescue. This is where I choose for fertilizer. Big box store. This way it's all cheaper and I get a discount. Next, you want to plug your yard. You can step on it right there. Look at the new addition to the family. Sunshine. That's what it gets in the morning. Maybe someday I'll show you how I did this. Let's get some seeds on the grass. All right, let's get this seed sowed in. Also free. Well, I think 20 bucks like 10 years ago. Next step, get some organic fertilizer, get that in the holes with the pine bark, and mulch everything in with a low mow, maybe even some weed eating. Okay, the whole day's almost gone. We've got it all raked out to the street. We're good to go. Just need to start watering it now. All right. Budget lawn care. Water, water, water.
That's water.
Morning 1. Morning 2 after the seeds. I'll just do it from the top of the stairs here. That's where I sit and bless the lawn with water. The next day, Saturday, the following morning. Sure would like some rain. I'm pretty sure this is early morning 4. See the green? As you walk around, you can see that green haze move. It's kind of everywhere a little bit. You can only see certain parts from one position. A lot more green today. It's the next day. It's gonna rain all day. It's supposed to start at 1. I think it's day 5, morning 5, I think. I'm not for sure, but I'm sure my daughter will put some script on there or something. But I just walk around on it, moving the hose around. I don't try to be careful. I never have. It's greening up though. To be honest, I don't remember the day I'm on. I think somewhere around 5. Thankfully, another wet day. Another gray day. Cloudy. Threat for rain. This is actually morning 9. I looked at the calendar. Coming in pretty good. I'm gonna have some weed pressure this year. But I'll get out there and pick all that stuff too. I might throw a little more seed there. Still got some. A couple pounds. So I skipped one day. It's been gray and rainy. As soon as the sun pops out, this yard's gonna go crazy. Okay, this is the next morning. You could even use a little mow. So I might put everything down. The fertilizers that I have left, sand, some pine bark, everything. A little bit of seed. And push hard with the mower this afternoon. And get it watered in tonight. Could use a little something right here. That's what I'll do. A couple days later, just did a maintenance mow. Just to get all the grass at the same height so the sun can get back down in here. I showed this last year. Crooked lines, but there's lines again. Now I know it's been a while. A few days anyway. Early in the morning, right before Halloween. Told you I'd be striping by Halloween. I got a little rough spot there. Needs a few more seeds. There. Now the lawn is back, you guys. For sure. Still only maintenance mowing right now. I'm not really striping for sure yet. But it is still striping. Anyway, that's a budget lawn renovation for you guys. Shouldn't have been much more than 200 to get it to look like this. I'm gonna have heavy weed pressure this year because I didn't use this expensive fertilizer, but it's okay. I'll pull weeds, or I'll just let the grass grow taller and bury them. But I'll definitely do a full kill the next year, because this is 2 years in a row now without a full kill. So I'm gonna have some serious weed pressure, but it's okay. There you guys go. Subscribe, all that good stuff. I don't upload like crazy man, but from time to time, try to make it worth your while. Thank you. Not too bad. It's all back and striped up. Monday morning. You know what? I think it's time for a snow mow. Yeah. Bad for all the right reasons. Hard on the equipment. Guess I'll have to get a new lawnmower. Y'all ever seen a snow mow? Probably the dumbest thing could be done, but very interested to see what this looks like. So let's do it. Frozen roses. Scratch the snow mow, you guys. Looks like I gotta use that mower again next year. It's just too deep already. Should have got it when it was dusted. Then it would have looked cool. Power out all over town. Luckily, we still got power, which is real rare. But I got trees down everywhere in the back.